Hi everyone, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is a pick a card reading with respect to the solar eclipse that is coming up on 30th April 2022. We have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a star, and this is pile B, which is a shell. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you're being drawn to. We do have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who picked pile A, which is the star right here, this is your reading with respect to the solar eclipse. The first card in this reading is from the Major Arcana, which is the Temperance card. The Temperance in traditional tarot talks about being patient. You're going to definitely reap the rewards of your patience, even if there are delays and detours on account of the situation you find yourself. You can take heart from the fact that there's always going to be that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. The Temperance is associated with the Sagittarius energy because Sagittarians are very quick when it comes to reactions. So that is why I think pile A, it is imperative not to overreact to situations. Some of you could also be a bit perturbed on account of your home life being a bit disturbed. Maybe there is also jealousy that you have to counter. There are jealous colleagues who are sharpening their knives. Be watchful and vigilant. Pile A. I also feel that payment is also going to come in at this time. The Lady is the next card here. This is also related to the Empress card in the tarot deck. So certainly you are going to get the fruits of your labor. Everything is also going to be bountiful, or it's going to be in abundance. Even if there are delays, like I said, you can expect to enjoy the fruits of your hard work. Maybe you also need to go outdoors to enjoy the bounty of nature. For some of you, this card could also imply birth of something new. Maybe there are opportunities with respect to romance or marriage proposals, or even the birth of a child could be something that you're going to look forward to. Archangel Raphael is also asking you to focus on meditation and healing. You will find that inner peace and solitude is necessary to maintain your poise. I think sometimes you need to step back to retreat from certain situations, to reevaluate your goals. Meditation gives us perspective into our lives. Yoga will also be very beneficial for you for mental peace. Sometimes just a walk in the park or being outdoors is also going to make you very grounded. From the astrology reading cards, we have Capricorn. Capricorn is also a sign which talks about being slow and steady, but slow and steady wins the race here. So like we began your reading with the Temperance card, which talked about you being patient for harmony and balance in your relationship or within the work environment. The Goat here is also asking you to build on whatever you have, because you are going to benefit enormously or in the long run. I think you're very hardworking. You're also very cautious and ambitious at this time. The Capricorn never loses. It cannot be beaten in a game. So likewise, I think you will find your way out. You will triumph in the end. You're never one to give up. A winner never quits. And this is something which you're going to embody. Well, if a job is worth doing, it is worth doing well. And that is something which we all need to learn from Capricorns. We do have Six of Forces here, which talks about waterfall. I think the force of energy is also with you, guiding you. You do have the ability to shape any situation in a way that honors you. The waterfall just gushes down with a lot of force. I think a lot of psychic energy is also involved here. You should listen to your intuition. It is definitely a time of deep thought and even deeper emotions. Meditation did come up, and this card is also reaffirming the same. You have that electric energy which is going to help you proceed in life. From the Past Life Oracle deck, we have this card, Transportation. Maybe some of you are thinking about traveling, or you want to make a journey to some destination, or you want to make that trip. So transportation could be related to a past life. You may have traveled with respect to work. Some of you could also be dealing with phobias involved with traveling. This could be related to airplanes, cars. I think you want to heal from that situation. You need to heal from that situation. That traumatic past life should not have a bearing on your present situation. Maybe you're also contemplating about investing in a mode of transport, be it a cycle, a car, or even a motorcycle. I think technically also you'll be very alive at this time. The last card in this reading is Lenormand's garden. I think you should go outdoors. Oftentimes in this reading we have talked about the same, and the card is also talking about you enjoying the fruits. Mingle with like-minded people, socialize, because networking is also going to be crucial for your success at this time. I hope, Pile, you found your reading very positive as much as I enjoyed presenting it to you. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time. Those of you who picked pile B, this is the shell right here. I think the sea is something which draws you in, or you need protection from negative forces, because sea salt is something which helps in cleansing. So cleansing is something which should be a priority for you, pile B, at the time of the solar eclipse. Let's just dive into your reading. The first card in this reading is the Two of Swords. This lady, she seems to be undecided about how she should proceed. Maybe you're going to be grappling with a dilemma at the time of this reading. I think you need to be more clear. You need to brainstorm with family elders, maybe a senior male figure. You're definitely going to get insight if you listen to the viewpoint of others. This is also going to turn out to be a very hectic period. I think financial issues could also create misunderstandings in your relationship. Primarily, pile B, I think you need to take responsibility. Sometimes, we also feel that we are taken for granted, that people cling to us for assistance, but then they fail to oblige us, or they fail to acknowledge us. So this is something which could bother you. The next card in this reading is the Strength card. Whatever decisions you make, I think they are going to be beneficial for you, because the Strength card has come up. So definitely you are going to make gains at this time. Surprises also on the cards. Maybe past dues also going to come in, which could be very unexpected for you. I think you're very driven, you're purposeful, you're forceful as well. You want to get on with the tasks at hand. Maybe you will also be a bit perturbed because your employer could saddle you with excess work. You could be wondering about the future of your position at work. Maybe you don't want to do so many things all at once. I also feel, pile B, you also need to let go of those relationships which are not serving your cause, or those relationships which you have outgrown. Shapeshifters, the next card. Transform and unveil your gifts, it says here. I think you need to change with the changing circumstances that you find yourself in. You cannot be static or stagnating at this time. You have the capacity to transform yourself. So this is a message which is interesting. You do have many talents within you, so you should be open to them. Maybe spirit animals are also guiding you. Pups and eagle is also there guiding you in this life journey. Or there could also be any other animal which we are drawn to, which is going to be like a protective shield. Basically, you have to move beyond your past challenges and hone your current strengths. Archangel Raphael is also telling you prayer works. I think if you feel God needs to intervene, then you should always pray to God. You should always ask for divine guidance and divine intervention. If there's a health issue that is bothering a family member or even you, and you don't know how to proceed, then definitely Archangel Raphael or your angels can intervene in this situation or scenario. They can step in only if you ask them to. Prayer always works. Anxiety or stress can also aggravate the situation, while prayer can help you unburden your soul. Virgo is the next card which has come up in your reading. Maybe some of you are Virgos, or it could be your sun sign, your moon sign, or you could also be embodying this energy at this time. You need to be more diligent. You need to be someone who is paying attention to detail, because Virgos are known to be very particular, very fastidious. They do have a work ethic. For them, duty matters. You're also going to assist other people around you. There's a natural curiosity which is associated with this sign, so you're going to be excessively curious at this time. Maybe you want system and order around you. Maybe, like I said, your boss is going to overload you with excess work, so this could annoy you. You don't like too many responsibilities on your shoulders. Whatever it may be, this is also the time to finish tasks that have been pending. It is also the time to focus on your diet or to improve yourself. Maybe you can also incorporate an exercise routine. From the Akashic deck, we have this card, Oracle of Delphi. It talks about your psychic abilities, your intuition. Listen to your inner voice, Pile B, because your intuition can never go wrong. I think you're going to gain insight. You're going to get a lot of knowledge. Your consciousness is awakening at this time. Maybe you're going to get certain sensations or images from your past life, which is going to help you. I think this awareness is very crucial for your soul's evolution. We do have shapeshifters, so definitely you're transforming yourself into a better version of yourself. From the past life oracle deck, we have this card, Wisdom. Ancient wisdom is within you. You just have to tap into that side of your personality. You have to be more aware and perceptive. The knowledge which you have gained in your past lifetime can never be taken away from you. So this is why I think, Palbi, you need to be open. That knowledge is going to help you maneuver the problems of this lifetime. I think it's resurfacing. Maybe many of you also want to read a book, or you want to return to school, or you want to enhance your skill set. Then this is the time. Perhaps some of you also want to change your career path. That is why there's the indecision here. But whatever choice you make, I think it is going to be good in the end for you. In the Normans, I have this card, Boy or Child. I think you should also be innocent. You should be open to other things, like a child which is very playful. They don't question many things. So likewise, I think you need to be more open when it comes to work, because the Tower card has come up in your reading. I think though your priority is going to be work, I think you shouldn't limit yourself. You shouldn't isolate yourself. Rather, you should also be a bit fun-loving and outgoing at this time. I hope you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.